An original pic that goes out to the group chat is just them in the forest. I only saw the AI doctored image. I immediately messaged our friend. I was like, yo, Mark Willie got ads? Let's go. Let's go.
You know what? Say
Y'all are haters, bro. Y'all are haters. That's how hard I looked. I was like, nah, he didn't get a tattoo. He would have told us he got that tattoo. Like, that's how I started to think it might be AI.
Nah, but you know what's crazy? I was like, oh shit, he got it back. And then I saw mine.
And you're like, nah, mine don't got like that.
Oh, it's not the sunglasses just on my chest,
No,
motherfucker?
not even.
There's a